Recording in progress.
Yo, 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 what's good, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Let's see. Let's see, where am I at? There I am. Let's see. Okay, cool. We're live, we're live, we're live. We're live, and it looks to be that everything is working. What's good, AFC? How you doing, man? Hope you're good as well. Thank you, thank you. Why does this music keep stopping, man? Alright. Look like GJ might continue bearish here, but there is a support that's not far away there on GJ, so I'm not gonna be looking to take these sells here. Alright, let's do a little analysis. We know we got CPI today. Looks like gold's breaking up for that little pre-NY volume. We'll see if it stays up. Ooh, daily candle is pushing bullish. It's respected the low. Looks like it's gonna break the high. Interesting. Interesting. Let's see. Yeah, this thing's moving bullish here. Awesome. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. Hopefully we can break out of this level and we can continue bullish. And if price comes back down here, we'll look for sells. But other than that, it's going to be a bullish bias today on gold. So let's put this here. Hey, what's good, Jordan? Good morning. Alright, let's see. Perfect. Fair enough here on gold. Wait for a price to break and close above this level, hit some sort of little retest, and then just continue. I think that'll be a good play here. I think that'll be a good play. And if it fails to close above this zone here, then we will just wait for price to pull back and then go continue bullish wherever and whenever that might happen. Alright, let's check out the analysis for GJ here. Damn, daily candle is pushing mega bearish. Holy. Okay. So we're going to be looking for sells on GJ. Unless price comes all the way back up here. Then we'll look for buys. Yeah, buys are gonna have to be like way above here because of this range, this shitty ass range right here. Which in this case we just probably aren't gonna be looking for buys today at all. Which I'm totally fine with. I'm actually totally fine with not trading gold at all. I mean not trading GJ at all. Yeah, cause damn, we're gonna have to wait for price to come like way up here for buys. that just isn't gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. Mark it up just to be safe, but this ain't gonna happen. Okay, okay. Yeah, so maybe we can, you know, form a level of support here, pull back, create a resistance, go retest the support, or we can close below here, do a little pullback, and then continue. So same kind of thing that we're looking for on gold, just the flip side of it, the flip. Now we wait. Analysis is there. Now we wait. Damn, man, it's my little brother's birthday today. Better hit his ass up before I forget. Damn, it's my little brother's birthday and my little cousin's birthday. I always forget about that. From here it's just waiting, man. From here it's just waiting. We got the play set up, we got the playbook set up, and we're gonna turn on some Sports Center. Maybe do a little bullshit on the side. Other than that, man, we just gotta wait. Wait for candles to print, and we can see where we can execute. Oh, what's this? Kickboxing World Championship. This on Friday. Amazon Prime. It's pretty crazy. Amazon Prime, like, starting to do these live events and shit. It's pretty nuts. We also got CPI today, so might get a little wild later on. About 8:30. The Bruins, man, Jordan. The Bruins gonna be good or what? Or are they good? Man, I haven't been watching too much hockey. Like, this is about when I start to watch it though. Football season's coming to an end. College football is over. College basketball is still playing, but you know, I only really pay attention to Michigan State. There's way too many fucking college teams to pay attention to all of them. Oh damn, the Bruins are back then, huh? Shit. Yeah, the Red Wings, you know, they ain't doing too good. They haven't been for my entire life, pretty much. Oh shit, press the wrong button. Damn, 32-4? Holy fuck. Holy fuck. About to look this up. Yeah, and the Capitals been ass. The Red Wings been ass. Yeah, we got a hockey team here in Savannah now. You know, just like one of those ECH, East Coast Hockey League teams or whatever, you know, it's like a minor league team. It's a farm team for the Golden Knights, the Vegas Golden Knights. But yeah, I went to a game last week. It was pretty fire. Oh damn, oh no, they didn't play last night. Who plays tonight? Oh yeah, the Red Wings played tonight. Oh yeah, the Bruins played tonight. Play Seattle. Damn, they got the Red Wings Maple Leafs on fucking ESPN tonight. Wonder why that is. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Jordan, that's a fucking problem, man. Now, like what they did with with like ESPN Plus, you know, you gotta have ESPN Plus to fucking watch any type of hockey, really. See it on TNT every now and then, but yeah, and the Bruins are back though. That's crazy. I didn't realize that. Motherfuckers are killing it right now. Let's see, still plenty of games to be played. We will see if they can keep it up. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, fuck, man. 32-4. I think they've definitely solidified that they are pretty legit. They are pretty legit. No man, what's good? What's good? Joji, what's good? Yeah, hockey's honestly becoming like one of my favorite sports to watch. Like it's very entertaining and it's easy to get into, you know. So, how can you not, you know? It's just dudes out there fucking killing each other, you know. Just raw as hell, a lot of action. Like, I love college football, love college basketball. You know, 'cause like I feel like college sports, you know, it's just like it's totally different. Like with college sports, you know, you're still trying to make it, you know, like you're still trying to. Oh, what's this right here? Oh, what? Okay. But like college sports, you know, you're still trying to make it. You're trying to make it to the big leagues, you know. So you're still trying to crazy. You're still kind of crazy. Whereas like the NFL, I mean, you see a little rawness, you know, you see people get a little sick with it. But the NBA, man, like these dudes are just a bunch of bitches, man. The NBA is fucking lame. NFL is pretty much like that. But NHL, them dudes are savages. Yeah, exactly, Jordan. It's not about the paper in college, and that's why I'm kind of worried about like this NIL bullshit, you know, because like with the NIL bullshit, like you're starting to see these dudes on the sideline with big ass gold chains, big ass diamond chains and stuff, and I'm just like, shit, man. Hope it doesn't like demolish the game, you know. But yeah, the Red Wings, goddamn, man, they're ass. It doesn't make any sense to me, like how Detroit teams can be so fucking bad, man. Like Jesus Christ. Like the Red Wings, you know, the Bruins, like these are like OG teams, you know, like how could they ever be bad? Even like the Lions, you know, the Detroit Lions, like it's an OG team. OG franchise, you know, like how could they ever be bad? And they just suck. They just suck, man. Except for the Lions are coming back. The Lions are fucking in there. The Red Wings. No man, the plan for CPI, man, just like always, you know. Plans the same every single day. Trading plans the same every single day. I'm gonna identify some zones, and then if it comes into those zones, I'm gonna look for an entry. Just like I got here. So I got here right on the screen, the plans on the screen. The plans on the screen. Looks like GJ is gonna continue dropping. Yeah, let's see about this though, but you know, we'll keep an eye on these candles right here, but I really like to see gold, this candle right here, close something like this. You know, have a wick like that, close something like that, and then we can trade the next candle to the top of the range there. Might even consider an impulse entry here on gold if we go and break the high of this bearish candle on the 30-minute. It's gonna be more of a breakout trade, you know, if we trade that. Just because price hasn't necessarily closed above that range. Shit, I think we can catch that bag off of that. I do believe profits can be made. Preferably, I don't want to trade during CPI, so rather catch my trade either before or after CPI. So we'll see if price starts to go break that high over there. Might execute. For now, just gonna keep banging out some of these tasks on my task list. Dang, today's Thursday? Yes, today is Thursday. Friday tomorrow. Don't think we got anything special going on this weekend. Yeah, I think we're gonna make that push. We go break this high here. It's gonna be stops would be like 16, 17 pips. Target 24 pips or so. I think that's achievable. Just depends on if it's got enough volume to make that push.
Hey man, what's up?
What's up, Sartaz?
How do you?
Good man, good. How's everything going your way?
Bro, GJ was amazing, amazing G2 drop.
Oh yeah, you catch this?
Yeah, I took 40 pips.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah. No, when the London candle was closed, little bit weak bliss. After that, when it was break 1 hour low, then I took the trade based on 1 hour. Because I
Gotcha.
saw the it can make me drop more. And today's CPI, man.
Yep. Yeah, I got CPI today. Probably got a little
Data
bump
looking
today.
like a week for USD.
Say what?
Hello, Mike. Good morning.
Data. CPI data looks like a week for USD. Maybe gold can fly more
Gotcha.
until 30, 20.
What's up, Harith? How you doing?
Good brother. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
I was having trouble connecting to Zoom actually, so I don't know.
No, we can hear you now.
Okay, cool. How are you all doing?
Good man. How's everything going your way?
All good, fair like that. You know, anticipating trades and not taking them, and when you take some trades, they hit you. It's still a roller coaster, you know.
Yeah.
Now, I'm seeing this move happen. First of all, I was in a sell during London. I sold gold before even pre-London. I was in this sale here. But you know, it's kind of like I'm putting tight stops. I get stopped out, and then price goes. It gets frustrating, you know.
Yeah, 100%.
Then I anticipated a buy from the 1880s. Price came tapped in, but I was hesitant to take a buy, and now I'm seeing the buy played out. I took when price came to 1882 and retested, that was during London. I was anticipating a sell price to come back and retest at least 1880 and a continuation back up. So I was caught into that. I sold from there, and I tended to like hold, and then I got burnt from there as well. I'm like, holy.
Yeah, I'm looking at these buys if it breaks a high here.
You know, we have CPI today.
Oh yeah, I know. How could I forget?
But did you see how that buy played out from yesterday, from that area we had anticipated from?
Yeah, yeah.
Down over there. Yes.
Yeah, this thing's about to make that push. It's gonna go to 1888. 1888, 74.
Oh yeah, 88 area. Maybe you should wait for a close.
Yeah, I was looking at that, but I mean, typically when it breaks the low and the high, it's not gonna come back down.
What are you looking at? The 30? Oh, the 30-minute.
Yeah, yeah. The most important time frame.
Yeah, but you know you have rejections to the left.
Yeah,
So
100%.
typically, that is a candle closure would be really good. That thing can tell you that I'm taking the high or the low, and then here we go, it flips you. It makes you become John Wick.
Yeah, but in this situation, it broke the high pretty much it broke the low pretty much immediately, and then
Came back.
and then the 15-minute candle closed. The next one, is what made that push. So,
I hope we took that.
Oh yeah, I took that shit. I took that shit.
That's
Oh
and
yeah, there it is, baby. Oh shit.
There you go. 50 pips. Oh my day. 30 pips in one push. You secured?
Oh yeah. I have my TP at 1888.74 right here on this line.
It was, yeah, they hit your TP then.
Yeah, I couldn't even secure 10 pips. It just hit the full thing.
Beautiful. Congrats,
Oh,
man. You
man.
done.
Perfect.
30 pips over there. So you got 26 pips.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, that was easy right there.
Yeah, it's going to be tricky. Gold is pushing up this way.
Yeah.
CPI will keep doing that push.
Yeah, I wasn't really expecting that, to be honest.
Ah,
Damn, that was beautiful too. The
Weird.
stop loss was a beautiful place. It's only like 17 pip stop. Oh, what the hell is going on here? Let's see. Stops. But yeah, no, Aretha, I've seen this happen a lot here on, especially like the 30-minute. If the I have my TP at 1888.50. But I've seen this a lot, whereas like when price breaks the low, like we have this weak candle right here, price breaks the low and then goes and breaks the high. If you think about this, what would this put, like if you think about this move in general, this is essentially, shit, hold on, let me change the color here. This is essentially, a push up and then a retest of this zone right here. And then continuation, So if you just think about that picture on the lower time frames, what is that going to tell us on the lower time frames? It's going to show that little pullback, know, which was like kind of like this little range.
move back, getting support on that. Yeah, it made sense for sure. Unfortunately, I was late on the charts. Now looking on the 5-minute, it made really sense because price was playing above the 85. That move was imminent to happen. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, see,
We got a
it's
perfect move.
yeah, it's just a
I was
simple
late on the chart, so
simple break and retest. You know, we broke,
yeah, yeah,
we ranged a
yeah.
little bit, and then
Oh wow, beautiful move right there. CPI move.
yeah, that was lovely. That was lovely, man. Yeah, I'm about to
You're
delete
done.
GJ. I'm about to delete GJ. You know, all we need is gold.
I told you, gold is the truth.
It's been so beautiful to me so far. Like I can't even believe it, you know, like I'm at a shock.
Yeah, that's what gold does, you know.
Yeah, like
Gold moves. When it moves, it moves.
yeah, like yesterday I was just like looking at my MT5, like looking at the trades that I took on gold, you know, like this year so far. And I was just like, fuck, man, this thing just moves so nice, you know, like I mean that trade was like 2 seconds long, you know? Like let me see, I'm gonna go to the M1. Yeah, it was 3 minutes. 3 minutes and it was secured.
Wow, that was a nice one. Pre-CPI move.
Yep, yeah, that was solid. That was real solid. Okay, so it's 20 pips. 20 pips that was secured. Yeah, that was
It was
kind of
20
weird though. That was kind of weird. Like it literally pumped hard. Like I mean, the spread even like increased really high on my MT5.
Yeah, it has to. That move was just that move.
Yeah, it
You
was
know,
weird.
that move was imitated. That's the move I was trying to expect with London before those that kind of went to peak liquidity from the Asian lows. But it didn't happen that time. Now here it is. It's happening right now. I expected that 1890 to get tapped. Now it has just been tapped right now.
Yeah,
That's the funny thing with gold, you know. Timing. You can have the right everything, analysis and what, but timing pulls you down. Later on and says, I'm here.
yeah, yeah, 100%.
Wakefield is coming as well.
Yeah, oh yeah.
It has to tap back that 19. If there is another rejection, it has to tap and then reject from there. If it's to reject or continuation or something, yeah, it's coming. Here we go.
Probably see a retest of this level too, you know, something like that.
Yeah, it's going to come and kind of do a weak fill probably, and then reject if it's to reject.
Yeah, that was amazing, man. That just made my day.
Yeah, man. Gold has been on your side these days.
Man, I haven't lost this year on gold, man. It's been beautiful. I think that's 6 trades on gold so far this year.
Really Gucci.
They've been amazing. Yeah, that's 6 trades on gold. 6 wins this year.
Wow.
Damn, I hope other people caught that, man. The YouTube chat's not saying nothing.
Maybe you did alert them when you were entering. They didn't hear you. Like you.
Yeah, no, yeah, before you hopped in, I was talking about it. I like drew it up, you know, on the annotation, you know. I was like, man, if we can, cause like this candle had already broke the low and it was starting to push bullish. And then I drew up like what I would want to see. I was like, man, if this candle can break that high, it's just gonna move to this target. And then I was also talking about like what you were saying, waiting for a candle close. So I hope other people caught that, man. That was a nice move. Made perfect sense. Yeah, Dan. Yeah, it played out nice, man. That one played out nice, Dan. Really, just the anticipation of volume too. I mean, for those of y'all that have been rocking with me for a little bit, you know that I usually don't take setups like this until they close. You know, it says buys above closure right here. You know, but that was just the anticipation that, okay, we broke the low. If we go break the high, we're not going to come back and break its own. It's not going to come back and break its own low. Nah, no more runners. Secured everything right here. I have my TP set at 1888.50, and that thing just pumped and went straight to the damn TP. It actually slipped the TP a little bit. I think it closed higher. Let me see. No, it didn't. It's right about it. But yeah, I mean, at this point, if you didn't catch that move, then just wait for the pullback and then the continuation. You know, now we've cleared this 1880, 1885, 75 zone. So this is, you know, this is just confirming what we were talking about at the beginning of the stream. If we go break these daily candle highs, these previous daily candle highs, you know, we should see nice continuation through the rest of the session. So yeah, I mean, at this point, just gotta wait for a pullback and then catch the ride back up to go retest this 1888 level. See GJ here. GJ is still falling. Same type of thing on GJ. You know, we've missed a move on GJ at this point, so gotta wait for a pullback, support to form, and then a resistance, and then we could go retest support on GJ. Naji, what's good with it? How's it going? Igor, what's good? What's good? How you doing? Naji, what do you think about news today? Mike, I'm so confused for news today. Yeah, if the news are negative for the CPI, what are your thoughts on gold? Is it going up? Yeah, Naji, Naji, what I recommend is trade news the exact same way that you trade a normal day in the markets. You know, so for me, it's always the same. You know, I'm looking at the daily candle, I'm figuring out the direction that it's traveling in, and then I'm just looking for entries along the ride. You know, so from the daily, you know, I check out the 30-minute, I mark up my zones, and yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. So like, notice how like my chart looks exactly the same as it would look any other day, you know, so I'm not trading any different just because it's a news day. Just identify zones. If it comes to those zones, I got proper things that I want to do to take action. So just got to be the same thing for you. Don't let news spook you. You know, there's nothing like bad about news, or you don't need to be afraid of news. A lot of people are scared of news. You know, I don't really get it. When I first started trading, it was like that. You know, it was like all the mentors would always say like, CPI week, you know, don't trade this week. NFP week, don't trade this week. Like, what? Yeah. Newbies in the house walking the same path. Yes, sir. Looks like GJ is reaching that 158.752 target we had there. See if it forms a level of support. This candle is manipulation. Nah. I think manipulation is an excuse to not know how to read the markets. People say things are manipulation because they aren't confident in reading the markets. It's like, oh, I don't know why this happened, so I'm just gonna say it's manipulation. That's what I think. Gold to 1850. I'm not newbie. You guys are so funny, man. You guys are so funny. 1850. Do you see how far that is? Send a chart. Send a chart, Kiri, and then we will definitely see. I'm not saying it can't happen. I'm just saying that's pretty fucking far. You see how far this is? My voice is missing over the music. Okay. Yeah, I can do that. How about that? Let me know if that's good. Kirikou, send a chart, man. You seem like an expert here. You're calling like a damn 300 pip drop. 400 pip drop. Sebastian, 100%. Thank you, man. Thanks for letting me know, cause you know, it all sounds good in my ears. So if y'all don't let me know, then I got no idea. Hey, Kirikou, when you send the chart, by the way, you gotta go up to this camera thing and then do a copy link to the chart image. But when you paste it, you can only paste this right here. You can't paste anything else. If you paste anything else, it's not gonna show me the link. YouTube blocks it. I know you said you weren't a newbie, but I haven't seen a chart come through yet, so I just want to make sure you know what to do there. No. Send a chart. Send a chart, big dog. Just take the M15 chart, take the last bullish move, the high and the close divided by 2. What the fuck does that even mean? The fuck does that even mean, dude? Send a chart. The sellers are in control. The sellers are in control. We got 155 pip bullish candle on the daily here, but the sellers are in control. Oh man. Yeah, I mean, shit, man, I'm just chilling. You know, I already took my trade. Shit, I really don't care what happens. I might even shut down the stream early. Eli George, it's this Kirikou clown here talking about 400 pip drop on gold. You know, I mean, it could happen. You know, it could happen. Don't get me wrong, but you know, I just don't like when people, you know, demand things, or you know, they try and seem like they're all smart and know everything, and then they can't send a chart. You know, so if you send a chart, you know, I could see the analysis, and I could see like what you're thinking. You know. But when you just tell me gold's gonna go to 1850, like 1850 is way the fuck down here, like sure that could happen, but I mean, I don't really think so. You know, I don't, you know, based on how I trade, you know, there's support here, support here, support here. Not to mention the daily candle is mega strong bullish, so I mean, I'm not even considering sells until price comes all the way down to 1873, you know, so yeah, it just doesn't make any sense to me. So I always say, like, you know, I'm not saying anybody's ideas are wrong or anything like that. It's more so just like you have to back it with something. You have to back your ideas with some sort of valid information. You know, and to me, trading, when in trading, valid information is simply your chart, you know, your markup. What do you see? What do you see? So yeah, I mean, at Karuku, if you send me a chart before 9:30 a.m., I'll be mega surprised, but you know, so now I'm just gonna consider you like the rest of them. Rubbish. But yeah, I think we got I think CPI, what's it at 8:30? Yeah, 8:30. So we got like 40 minutes CPI. Kevin, do you think sells below 1880 are valid considering CPI is coming and the range is pretty clean to the left? Below 1880. Yeah, I mean there's clean range here for sure. For me personally though, I don't like to trade against the daily candle. You know, so this year so far I'm 6 for 6 on gold on my gold trades. 6 trades, 6 wins, and they've all been in the direction of the daily candle. So if the daily candle's bullish, I'm only looking for buys. If the daily candle's bearish, I'm only looking for sells. So if you can see here, you know, my analysis was buys above here, buys above here, this was a target. And then I had sells below here, and then target for sells. So the reason that I'm waiting for sells all the way until this point is because at this point right here, 1875.36, here I'll just mark this up. At that point right there, that's when the daily candle is going to flip bearish. And so if we look at the 30-minute time frame and we look at that zone, it's not a tradable range. It's not a tradable zone. 15, 16 pips, not enough room that I want to execute in. So that's why the zone's marked up here, sells below here, because it's a 38 pip range. You know, there's a very high probability that we can at least catch 10 pips in that inside of that range. So yeah, I mean, Kevin, to your point, you know, this range is definitely valid right here. You know, this range for sells is definitely valid. 40 pips or so to come down, clean traffic. But you know, like I said, the daily candle is going to be bullish still at that point, so it's against my rules, against my trading plan. Mike, would you buy if a lower wick presents? So what I would wait for in this case, let me get a little annotation here. What I would wait for in this case is there's a couple situations. You know, we can have price move bearish, and then, you know, bearish until this level. Yo, Kirikou, I'm about to block your ass if you don't send a chart. You keep sending these dumbass messages with no chart. You have no value. So I will wait for something like this to happen. Whoops. Okay. So this is scenario number 1 that I would wait for. Pullback. And then I would execute right here as this candle is breaking the highs here. Continue bullish. That's scenario number 1. Scenario number 2 is, you know, we have like a weak bearish candle form, And then the next candle continue bullish. So these are the two types of situations that I'll wait for at this point. So in short, the first thing that needs to be waited for is a bearish candle, a resistance to be formed. At this point, you've missed the move. The move has been missed on gold, so you need a resistance to form, and then you can start to game plan the next actions. GJ falling, yeah. Yeah, GJ is really falling, actually. Sartaz, you catch anything else on GJ, or are you done for the day? Shit, he ain't here? He ain't here? Same thing on GJ though, need to wait for a pullback, need to wait for support to form, pullback, continue dropping. Alright, we coming into 8 a.m. So about 30 minutes until the news. Yeah, and so here's that here's a situation for bruh, Kevin, come on, man. Yeah, I took this trade. It already hit the TP, you see? This candle shot right through the fucking TP. Entered right here as the candle was breaking a high. Shot right through the fucking target. So no, I'm not in the trade, but I took the trade. But yeah, so if this candle breaks a high right here, we're gonna see a continuation. Continuation. This candle right, oh, what the frick? Yeah, so we see something like this. So we need to respect this low right here and break this high right here, and this candle will continue. First target will be a wick fill here, and you just need to look to the left for the next zone. No problem, Kevin. No problem. I don't mean to be an asshole either, so that's my bad. But yeah, entry was right there as the candle was breaking the previous candle's high. Stop loss below here. And the target was this zone right here, which you can see, you know, I have my my TP just below the zone. But yeah, I think this is another opportunity for an entry. I'm not going to take anything else today. Already cashed out. Took my one trade for the day. We're good. But I think this is another opportunity. We see the highs break here on gold. I think we can continue. A little risky because this is a resistance level. You know, this green line is a resistance level in the past. And also don't know where the next zone is. So let's try and find that just so I can try and help you guys out a little bit more. Because that's ultimately what's going to be the conditions of entering that trade for you guys, is going to be where the next zone is. If there's enough range to make it to that zone. Yeah, it looks like it. Looks pretty good, looks pretty good. Oh yeah, 29 pips. Yeah, so if I hadn't already taken this trade today, then I would enter as this 30-minute high is being broken. And I would tell Kirikou and his cells to get bent. But yeah, I think that's gonna be good, man. I think that's gonna be good. I think that's gonna play out. But I'll be right back. I'm gonna step away from the computer real quick. But I have my phone on me, so if you guys type anything in the YouTube chat, I'll be able to see it. I got my mic. Yeah, candle breaks this high. Gonna continue for sure. Also, my conditions for entry on these types of situations is the spread breaking the high. So like I would want to look at my MT5, MT4, whatever you use to trade on, and make sure that the spread actually breaks the high too. Not just the candle breaking the high, the spread. And the reason that I do that is because that, in my opinion, shows a nice strong break. You know, it's not the candle just barely breaking the high, it's the spread breaking the high too, which means that you at least have like a 1 to 2 pip break, because depending on the broker that you're using, you know, the spread's probably the 1 to 2 pips or something like that. Just like I was talking about, should be able to get easy 10 pips off of this move right here. Stop loss would be below this previous, below the bearish candle. So it'll be like 25 pips or so. So if that was the entry there, you know, the stops would be below that previous bearish candle. I'll just be looking to target that area. Want to secure something at about 10 pips or so though. Yeah, but see, like with this rejection, you know, that's where it gets a little tricky. Like I said, this is a resistance, you know, so taking those kind of entries is risky, but you know, played out for me earlier there. Had that nice little pump, but you know, we got CPI coming up here in about 20 minutes, so you know, it could get a little rocky. What do you think of the wicks of the candle? I don't know. Not sure that I understand the question. I mean, wicks mean two different things. Either rejections or a wick fill. If price is breaking and closing above a zone, above or below a zone, then to me, that means we're going to be looking for like wick fills. If price is failing to close above or below a zone, then that means we are having rejections. So to me, this is a rejection because price failed to close above this zone. Same type of thing happening here. So in this situation, if we go to break the low, that's when we're going to start to retrace. No, Kirikou, that's not what it means at all. It means that it's, if price is failing to close above or below a zone, then it's a rejection. That means it's a rejection. What is a rejection in real life? It's exactly like I said, Kirikou. You know, you acting like a real dumbass here for real. I still haven't seen a fucking chart. You know, you still flapping this freaking trash can about sales taking over. You know, like I said, send a fucking chart. Maybe I'll see what you're saying, but I see no signs of sales. And you're making me turn into an asshole here on the stream. No, Kariku, that's false too. If you don't send a chart, then I have no vision of what you're seeing. So right now I have my vision, you have no vision in my opinion. So that's what I'm trying to say, you know. Like people send in all kinds of crazy shit, you know, fibs and all this crazy shit. And I'm just like, cool, you know. You send a chart, that means that you can critically think. You've developed an opinion, execute on it and see if it works. But you, Kariku, on the other hand, you just like shit talking over here, and there's no data, there's nothing backing what you're talking about. So that's what I mean. You know, like like when you have a bias, when you have an opinion, you have to have something to show that opinion. You know, you can't just say, "Oh, 1850, you'll see, friend. Sellers taking over." You know, blah blah blah. Like, show me what you mean. You know. So yeah, we got 10 minutes until that news comes in. We got comics coming in right now. See what comics does. No, Kariku. I said send a chart, man. I said send a chart like 30 times, man. Like at this point, I'm just getting irritated with this shit. The fuck is this? Streams bitrate? I don't know, man. Looks like YouTube getting a little choppy, maybe. I don't fucking know. Oh, if you took those buys right there, would have barely just gave you 10 pips. Would have barely given you 10 pips. So we got like 5-6 minutes, something like that. About 5-6 minutes. I'm not going to execute anything on CPI here, but if you were to execute on it, the best way, in my opinion, to execute is to set a buy stop above this 30-minute candle once it closes, and then a sell stop below it. And then one of them's going to get activated. Whatever one gets activated, close the other one and let it run. That's what I would do, but I ain't going to trade it. I already caught my bag for today. Oh, there we go. There's that push. Boom. There's that push. That would have been another 10 pips right there. 10 plus pips. If anyone caught that, good work. It's another easy trade. Easy trade. Yeah, like I was saying, very simple execution on this. You would have just entered right here at the break of the high, stops below the previous candle's low right there, and then first target would have been this wick fill. The next target is right here, but this already would have given 10 pips, so you know you should have secured something if you took it. Oh yeah, look at this thing moving.
You going solo today?
Yeah, Harith was here for a little bit, and then Sir Taz was here for a little bit, but yeah, they're both gone now.
Oh, so you're making all the money by yourself today. Man,
Yeah.
must be nice.
Yeah, I caught the early trade today.
That was nice too. Hmm.
And now it's getting a little crazy right now. This news is about to come out. With the rejection the way it is below this zone, I think it's probably gonna move bearish.
Oh, really? What time? Oh, in a 30-minute. Okay.
Yep, there it goes.
There. Oh, there it is.
Gone. 1873, just like that.
Wow. Mm. That's insane. Hmm. It was expected though.
Yeah, just with the way it closed, how it rejected that range, made perfect
Yeah.
sense. I mean, without looking at any of the data, you know, just price action, you know, made perfect sense.
Hmm.
Clean move too, 133 pips straight down. Didn't break the highs or anything crazy. GJ,
No.
not so clean.
Let's see here. I went up to 1891. Mm.
No, look.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man.
Mm.
Yeah, Kirikou in the YouTube chat. Hopefully, you closed out the cells already. And it was about 230 pips away from your TP, Kirikou. So, little off there. Yeah, people are saying in the Slack Raja's Slack channel that there was some slips. Oh yeah, dang, 100 pips slip. Holy.
100 pip slippage?
Yeah,
What?
it's probably not on Dominion Markets. It's probably another broker.
How do you get 100 pip slippage? That doesn't even calculate to me. What are you talking? Like,
Using a crappy
oh,
broker.
man. Mm. Maybe it's better that I just watched.
It's always better. Look at it push now. Holy. This Kariku dude in the YouTube chat talking shit to me, saying that it's gonna go to 1850. I'm like, dude, that's like 400 pips away, man. I don't know about that. Now look at it.
No way. It may hit 1900 though before today is over.
Yeah.
Mm-mm-mm.
Yeah, this is where it gets messy, where it gets tricky.
Yeah. That looks terrible. GJ looks awful.
Yeah. Yeah, it dropped pretty nice today, like during London, and made a pretty nice move down.
Mm-hmm. $1,900. Here we go.
Yeah, dang. Dang.
Beautiful. That was my trade right there.
Yeah, that's huge right there. That thing is pushing.
I just caught 30 pips. I'm happy.
Nice, nice. Congrats.
Finally a win.
Yeah.
Good grief. It's been a rough go at it.
Yeah, I can't believe that it did that, honestly. Since it was breaking bearish, I thought it was gonna continue.
Mm.
But this is yeah, dang, it's still
What's going
going.
on?
1900, hit it. Hope
Yeah.
that Kariku dude closes cells, man.
Oh yeah. And you know what? People do that too. When it does that, they say, "Oh, it's going to keep going down." They jump in those cells.
Yep.
You missed the move. Just close it and move on.
Yeah.
I had a buy stop at 1892. Then I said, I'll just wait because I don't want this to jump up and then drop down. So then I waited for it to look like it was coming back up to continue bullish. Got in at 1894 and closed it at 97.
Nice.
Even though I thought it was 1900. Mm-hmm. I'll take it.
Yeah, it's always better to be safe and secure than profits.
Yep. Mm-hmm. All right, this is a good place for me to go make my coffee. I'll be back.
Sounds good. Kariku, where you at, man? Where you at? You're a little silent now. Just a little confused. I want to make sure you're okay. Yeah, Kevin, I don't know about just how I called it, but kind of. And news is tough, man. I honestly just try and stay away from it for the most part.
Looks like we missed the 1900 by a hair.
Yeah, just barely.
Well, I hope nobody blew their account messing with this.
Apparently Kariku did, because he ain't responded since.
Oh, what? He was in sales.
Yeah, he was telling me that it was gonna go to 1850.
So he was holding it?
I
Oh
don't
my
know.
God.
I don't know. It said as soon as this rejection happened here, it was prices up here. He said something like, "We're gonna fill the wick and continue down," and then it just kept
Oh
going
my
bullish,
gosh.
and I was just like, "Dang, R.I.P."
That RIP.
R.I.P.
That's
man.
hilarious. Yeah, man. Well, it may do that next week. I don't know.
Yeah,
But
legit.
not today.
Yeah, no, I don't think it's gonna happen today at all.
So you're 6-0.
On gold, yeah, I took one trade on
Yeah,
GJ and
awesome.
lost it, so I gotta put that in the past. But yeah, we're doing pretty good so far.
That's pretty good. That's awesome.
Yeah, definitely my best start to a month.
Well, we're gonna work on getting my account back up to where it's supposed to be.
Slowly but surely, one trade at a time.
Yeah. I'll be back to normal Monday. I think after the break from the holidays, I just kind of went temporarily insane.
Yeah.
Things just went all kinds of wrong. I'm back on track now. Well, Monday I'll be back on track.
Yeah, it happens. It happens. It's easy to do.
Oh, wow. That's a question. He says slip 100 pips. It's too wide, right? Is that a question?
Yeah. Yeah, that's way too wide.
Oh my gosh. You know, it's like all the traders did it. It's not not just his broker. Okay, that makes you feel better.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. I mean, that's why I just rather not play with news, it's pretty risky. Because I mean, even if you are in the right direction, you got to deal with slippage and there's all kinds of things, it's not just how volatile the market is, there's so many other factors.
All this arguing over slippage. Did it. Just don't trade it if you're worried about it, if you know it's going to happen. Gosh. Which broker is the worst?
Yeah, I'd usually just go into Raj's chat just to
Holy cow. Somebody said they got slipped 170 pips and blew their account. Good grief.
I think it barely moved 170 pips.
Like, what?
Yeah, it only moved 131 pips down.
He said margin called, I'll never trade news again. Oh my gosh. I feel bad for you, sir. Oh well. I guess I'm done for today. I'll watch and see how this plays out. I'm going to mark up this that I did. And I guess I'll see you tomorrow.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
All right. Have a good one.
You too. Have a good one. Be safe. Now we running slow, we running slow. Everybody's gone. Dang, that thing galloping, man. Holy. Joji, have a good one, man. Have a good one. Have a great day. Yeah, we just chilling for now. I mean, ain't really nothing gonna be executed on for the rest of the session. GJ finally found that level of support. I'd wait for the pullback and then go retest the support created. Other than that, gold needs to find a resistance somewhere, pull back, and then continue. But it's just waiting at this point. I'll be right back though, guys. Be right back. Boom. We back. See, anybody still here with us? Yeah, looks like it. Looks like somebody unliked this stream. There was like 12 likes, I'm pretty sure. What was that? Kariku? He got mad at me, unliked it. Hey, thank you, Daniel. It's been a while since I've seen you, by the way. Hope all is well. Tay Woo, what's good? How you doing? Oh man. Oh, this guy's on demo, Jesus. Yeah, Dango, we ain't stopping. Took a break through December. Yeah, I did kind of something similar. Took a little bit of time off. Not too long though. Yeah, Tewu, my style of trading is simple. It's simple and it's duplicatable. But yeah, that's all trading is. I mean, just figure out what works for you and replicate it. But yeah, so I mean, like I said, at this point, like what I would do is I would just wait for 30-minute candle to close and form a resistance. So it looks like we're gonna form that resistance at this point, this 1900 level. But I mean, it very well could just flip bullish and continue. So just waiting for a resistance to form on gold. For GJ, we have that support formed. Now it's just the next direction. You know, we need to wait for a resistance form so we can go retest that support. Stick to me today? Okay. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna shut it down in like 15 minutes. So when the stream ends at 9:30 a.m. So we can shut it down about 9:30 a.m. Looks like gold has found that resistance. Starting to retrace now. Just have to see what happens. I just realized I never even looked at the news numbers. Oh, it's good. Good numbers. Oh no, that's unemployment claims. Yeah, I mean it's still good. Oh no, wait. Oh yeah, no. Forecast and actual were the same. So actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So since it was the same, that's why we saw like the up and down movement there. Actual same as forecast as well on this one, so same type of thing. If it's greater than forecast, it's good for currency. If it's worse than forecast, it's bad for currency. But if it's the same as forecast, it just causes a lot of volatility, just like we saw. Peace out, Daniel. Have a good one, man. Have a good one. Alright, we got like 10 minutes left until this 30-minute candle closes. We're just gonna see how it closes and then go from there.
Mike, hey, you're still here.
Yeah, just chilling, man. I'm about to shut it down here in a couple of minutes, just waiting for
I
this
see you're
30-minute.
chilling. I see markets shitty brokerage. Oh my days.
Would you get slipped?
Oh, yeah, that's for sure. I've got slipped really crazy.
Yeah.
And the small account I used has gone.
Dang. It's gone?
You know how it happened?
You blew the account?
Yeah, the account is gone. The small one I was trying to. I wanted to use that account to do what? Like, let me try it. Basically, I don't know. I just wanted to try out the buy stop and sell stop thing, because once they've told me IC markets is, I've seen people complain about IC markets. I was like, okay, let me try it. Let me try out also buy stops and sell stops with IC. I put my sell stop right down there where there is like your entry.
Yeah, right below the 30-minute.
Yeah, exactly. It was right there. But you know where it was activated from?
Down here.
1874.
Oh my god.
You know, by the time they activated, I wanted to close because the thing froze. What I was seeing was like a blue red. I don't know what the fuck is going on here. By the time I closed, the thing was gone.
Oh my gosh.
I was like, holy shit, what kind of brokerage is this?
Yeah, so what it was like a 120 pip slip.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's tough, man. It's tough.
IC markets is shit. I was like, no. I hear people saying blueberry markets is good. What do you use?
I use Dominion markets.
Oh, Raja. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I have account with Raja. I have Dominion markets, but I've never deposited in it.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I haven't noticed like any crazy slips like that. Like I got slipped on GJ before during news, during GBP rates, but I've never seen it happen on gold. Like a lot of people I know use Dominion markets and trade gold, like during news events, and they don't usually get slipped.
Like a small account is gone.
Yeah, no, it dropped pretty heavy. As soon as it rejected and it closed below, I was like, yeah, it's definitely gonna sell off, you know. It dropped heavy. Just to freaking launch.
Is what it is. We move on regardless.
Yeah, the full candle is 280 pips. It's crazy. Dang, though, that sucks though. IC got you. IC slipped you.
By the way, where is Jake? Jake, I don't know. Jake from the US?
Yeah, I think he said he was gonna start trading after the 15th.
That was my idea, but last week was the problem. Last week kind of deceived most of us that volume is back, baby, and now this week, oh my days. That was coming anyway. That was coming. I felt it.
Yeah, with news, I mean, yeah.
Hey, Gigi did nothing, yeah?
Nah, not really. I mean, it dropped pretty good. But with news, yeah, I mean it's a little tricky. Like GJ, I mean it's like this is US dollar
Yeah,
news, so it doesn't really affect like the pound or
yeah,
Japanese
doesn't
yen.
move CPI doesn't move GJ.
Yeah. But yeah, so I mean it did like a little, you know, a little weirdness, but nothing too crazy. But yeah, this is what I was expecting here, you know, find this level of support, pull back, maybe retest this level here, 159, 250 or something, and continue down. Oh, gold closed above. It's 1891.
But gold is the truth, Jake, Mike.
Yeah. Yeah, gold's been moving a lot better. Like it's like the market structure makes a lot more sense.
Hey, actually, do you know Raja lost one of his relatives? That's why he has been off and is coming back to streams in February.
Oh, that's what he said?
So we'll start streaming in February. So all this month we won't be streaming.
Gotcha. Yeah, no, I didn't know that.
He sent that. I just received also a notification from his Slack on my PC. I just read it from there.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, because I think he was originally saying that he was gonna come back after the 15th.
Huh?
I think he was saying originally that he was gonna come back after the 15th, but guess not.
Yeah, because he lost a relative.
Yeah. Yeah, it must have been somebody close, like his parent or something, if it's
Yeah.
affecting him that much, you know. Yeah, hopefully all is good with them. But word sounds good, Harith. I'm gonna shut it down.
Yeah, no problem, brother, no problem. I was also soon leaving because I have some things to work on.
Yeah, I gotta get to work myself, and nothing else for today.
Well, have a great day, have a great morning, a great day, because I know your day's just started.
Yeah, you too, man. Yeah, we'll catch up tomorrow if you're around.
That's for sure. Take care, bro.
Alright, have a good one. Peace. And for the rest of YouTube over here, we're gonna shut it down for today. It's pretty choppy at this point. I mean, for gold, you know, I'll probably just wait for support to form and then go retest the highs. For GJ, I'll wait for a resistance to form and go retest the lows. That's what I wait for. But if y'all got any questions about anything or want my feedback on anything as London close comes into play, then just hop in the Telegram chat and I'll hit you there. But with that said, I hope y'all have a great day. See you tomorrow.
Recording stopped.